get, set, go. Mastering the causative passive voice in English. Hello, language learners. Today, we're diving deep into the world of English grammar. We're going to focus on a very special topic: using get in causative passive voice. This is a crucial part of mastering English, and it's used in many common situations. So, let's get started. In the causative passive voice, we use get or have with a past participle. The focus is not on the person who carries out the action but on the person who causes or initiates it. When we use get, the subject of the sentence is usually the recipient of an action. For example, I got my hair cut. In this case, the action of cutting hair is not performed by I, but I initiated the action. In English, we often use the get causative form in two main situations. First, when the subject of the sentence is affected by the action. Second, when the action is unplanned or unexpected. 1. When the subject is affected by the action. Consider this example. John got his car washed. Here, John is directly affected by the action of the car being washed. 2. When the action is unplanned or unexpected. In this case, get is often used for actions that weren't intended by the subject. For example, I got my window broken. Here, the speaker didn't plan to have the window broken. It was an unexpected event. Let's move on to some common situations where you might use this form. 1. Services. We often use get causative form when talking about services. For example, I got my house cleaned. 2. Accidents or unexpected events. As we mentioned before, get is commonly used for unplanned or unexpected situations. For example, she got her purse stolen. 3. Changes. Get can be used when describing changes in a situation or state. For example, the weather got the game cancelled. Now, it's your turn. Try to form sentences using the get causative form in these situations. 1. You've just had a haircut. 2. Someone stole your bike. 3. Your room was cleaned by a service. Well, that wraps up our discussion on using get in the causative passive voice. Remember, it's a fantastic tool to express actions affecting the subject, especially when these actions are unplanned or unexpected. Keep practicing these structures, and before you know it, you'll be using them naturally in your everyday conversations. Thanks for joining us today. Keep up your English learning journey, and we'll see you next time.